All right, folks, we're in for a fantastic day today. Now, those right on top are my new joggers, and I have my other clothes here. Nice little clothing haul, a fresh clothing haul by the company FIOBOC. They make really legit, comfortable clothing. I just wore my joggers. I'm gonna try these on for you. I'm gonna show you a little bit of a clothing haul here. I wore my joggers on the treadmill, lifted weights with them. Super comfortable. They look great. They're tapered. And again, just like all my videos, top link in the description box right below the video will be the direct link where you guys could see all their different products. And I've also made another video about their shirts, etc. And that link below will also be a discount link for you guys. So pick up your discount, grab some clothing. Again, super comfortable. I got a pair of pants here and a nice like fleece sweater here. Okay, first up is going to be the joggers. These are very nicely fitted right through here. And just in comparison to the quality and the size of these, I'll break it down. So these are Amazon Essentials joggers, and I picked them up for a pretty clearance price. Now, these I would call sweatpants. These are baggier, definitely not as fitted, obviously cheaper, but definitely not like this. These feel really good and they fit absolutely fantastic. Nice deep pockets in there. You definitely could have your cell phone in there, but they're not over the top. Look at how they curve down. These are the size medium. I am 5'9", 150 pounds right now or so. Sitting beautifully up on my Adidas shoes right here, tapered in and going down. I still have probably a few inches in the legs before it goes all the way down. They're up on my waist right here. You do have drawstrings. There also is a very small inner pocket with your bigger pocket. There's a small one right here. And also with these is you have a very small zipper here that folds down that has enough room to probably put your cell phone in there. Definitely like some car keys, an ID if you're going jogging. Again, I lifted weights on these last night, super comfortable. Walked on the treadmill, then ran on the treadmill. They didn't come down on me. They feel really, really good. Super soft, highly recommend. Thumbs up, 1 for 1 here. Okay, next up is gonna be their pants. These are super comfortable as well. And these will probably most likely be my new golfing pants here. Now they are a little bit stretchy on the side here. These are 32. I'm weighing about 150 pounds right now, and again, 5'9", and they're going right down to my Adidas, tapered in slightly, but not quite like the joggers. You still have a little bit of breathing room in your legs here. I probably could have got away with a 30, but with a belt and a tucked in shirt for golfing, these are gonna be absolutely fantastic. I do fluctuate with weight. I typically go from about 150 to 155, depending on if I'm eating some extra calories, etc. But these are very nice. The pockets are not as deep as the joggers, but still nice pockets here. Of course, belt loops. You have a regular button right here on the front. You got a zippered fly. You got a small little pocket right here. They feel absolutely fantastic, and back pockets on the back. I also do want to mention, I forgot to mention, you do have one rear pocket on the jogger. Again, these are the Slim Fit Carbon Color size 32, and those feel absolutely fantastic. If I wanted them a little bit tighter, I'd probably go down to a 30, but I think they look great. They're going to give me some nice swinging room. They feel absolutely fantastic for, or I could even go to a nice dinner out with these things, tucked in shirt, looking absolutely fantastic. Very nice. 2 for 2. And lastly, their gray sweater here. Very nice fit to it. Not a turtleneck, but it does go up a little bit higher. Then this is like your collar right here. So it just kind of raises up just a little bit here. Nicely fitted as well. This is a size medium. Again, I'm about 150 pounds right now, 5'9". I do have long arms and they cover my arms excellently. This again is the gray color here. Let me see if we can get some better light. We have some afternoon sun coming in the window, reflecting off the snow. And now these are going over my golf pants. The colors are a little bit different from gray to carbon, as you can see here. A little bit of different tones to it. This is super soft. I could see myself going to church with this. I could see myself going out to a casual-ish dinner. I could see myself putting this on, golfing. We have a golf trip coming up in February. It might be a little bit chilly where I'm heading to. It definitely is here in Colorado at the moment. But overall, I love the look and feel of their clothing. They fit an athletic build very nicely, as you can see here. Well, folks, once again, 3 for 3. They do also have jeans. I'm trying to get my hands on some of their jeans as well. So stay tuned for more of those videos. Definitely subscribe. Once again, your link is in the description box below. Pick up your discount. See what they have to offer. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button way out. My name's Chris and I'll see you on the next video.